As you can see, the smoke video that I am going to use has a black background. We need to remove it so that it can be merged with the whole scene. One option is to change the blending mode to screen, but it will not make the black background go completely transparent. So we will try the second option. Just go to Effect panel and select Linear Color key option in Keying Effect. Select the eyedropper tool of the key color and click on the black background of the smoke video. And here it is, the black background has been changed to transparent background. Now as you can see, the color of the smoke is orange. So we need to change it to grayish smoke color. Just go to Effect panel and under the subcategory of color correction select Hue and Saturation and apply it on the video. Now check the Colorize box and change the Colorize saturation value to 0. And finally we have successfully changed the smoke color to grayish black and remove its background. Please subscribe this channel for future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a nice day!